The dashboard was her command center for 30 years of freedom. Margaret pulls out the registration papers first, then the emergency contact list written in her careful handwriting, the GPS that guided her to new restaurants, doctor visits, weekend trips to see her sister, a handful of quarters for parking meters, evidence of a life lived on her own terms. She finds the stack of toll receipts rubber banded together like memories. Highway 95 to Boston last spring, Route 84 to visit her grandson's graduation, each crinkled piece of paper proof that she could go anywhere, anytime. The eye doctor's words echo, "I'm sorry, but it's no longer safe." Independence doesn't die in one dramatic moment. It dies in parking meter coins you'll never use again, in GPS coordinates to places you can no longer reach. She hands the keys to the dealer and walks toward the passenger seat of her daughter's car. 30 years of self-determined movement, reduced to asking for rides.